Hello and welcome back to my portfolio for week number 3, where I'll talk about all my investments, returns, ups, downs and anything I'm looking at in the future. My total portfolio value is currently £5,417.95 with a weekly change of increase of 0.1%. Not amazing, but not the worst I've ever had, which will take, slowly increasing, slowly getting me to that £500 total return, which I'm quite excited about. I still hold all 27 stocks that I have originally told everybody. These I plan on holding long term unless I decide otherwise, which you will be the first people to know, whoever watches this video. None of the stuff mentioned in these videos is financial advice, it's just my personal experience with it, so take it with a grain of salt. The stocks I bought this week was £10 in Mastercard, £10 in Pepsi and £11.88 in Diageo. The extra £1.88 did come from the dividends in the previous week, which is what I plan to keep doing going forwards. It's always reinvest the dividends, hopefully make that snowball grow a bit that people talk about and increase the returns more and more, increase the dividends more so I can reinvest more, and that way I can hopefully reach the goals that I want to, which may be something I'll talk about in a future video with my future goals for investing and just my future in general with trying to become financially free. On to my biggest winners. Rolls-Royce tops the list at 7.66% return. This was lovely to see, as Rolls-Royce has been one of those stocks I've had some downs with some ups. It's been okay for me, but not out of this world. Whereas Samsung, my best stock I've bought, second week in a row, that this has been on the list. 5.74% up, unbelievable. Means I'm up over 200% on this stock all time, which is incredible. Goldman Sachs, 4.15% increase, unreal. It just keeps my portfolio moving in the right direction, which is what I love to see. My biggest losers, Chevron, 7.11%, and Shell, 7.05%, both in that oil sector. Not looking great. I'm hoping for a bit of a rebound next week to kind of even it out a bit. Tesco, down 6.81%. This is kind of sad because I did buy some more of it the other week, as I mentioned on one of my previous videos. So seeing it go down by that much, not ideal, but once again, it is what it is. I can always buy some more, try and decrease that dollar cost averaging, but it's not something I regret. It happens, but again, I'm always looking long into the future, and I still believe in all of these companies will return me my money and some. Yeah, dividends, I got 9p from Alphabet or Google. I don't have tons of money in this stock because it's expensive. The dividends aren't amazing, but it's one that grows over time, and since I've been alive, it's been an incredible company. Realty income, 78p. This pays out every month, so I try and put a little bit more in every month to increase that dividends, so that my dividend graph slowly trends upwards, which is what I aim for, as I want to keep reinvesting it and increasing that income, so over time it can maybe pay for some things here and there if I really want it to. But I love seeing realty income come in because I know it comes in every month. It's the safe, reliable one. But yeah, McDonald's, £1.15 dividend paid. That was very happy to see, as it was my first one this month over £1. That was awesome. Keeps the dividends increasing for this month. And Home Depot, the final one, £1.29. taking my total to £3.31 for this week, which is an unbelievable week, and also increases my monthly total to the second highest of this year, just behind the previous month, which is quite nice to see that I've had 2 solid months in a row. I'm not expecting this to continue like this if I keep having amazing months. I know it'll drop off some months when I only have 1 or 2 companies paying me, but as long as that keeps increasing over time, then I'll be quite happy with it. But the dividends have been unbelievable. I'm very happy with how my stocks are performing at the moment. In the future, I want to look into more value investing, like obviously Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, those types of investors where I really understand what I'm buying into, whether it's at a good price, and kind of what that market is. So that, I mean, maybe in that my portfolio, the amount of stocks I own may decrease, so that I'm more focused on them and I understand them better, understand the value I'm getting from them, and the dividends that I will hopefully receive. But yeah, that's all for this week's video. Keep an eye out for next week's if any of you are planning to rewatch, which I'd be very grateful for. But yeah, thank you so much to anybody who's listened to this, and I'll keep investing and keep updating you. Everyone else, keep doing it. See you later.